Thank you so much for showing interest in this lecture. In this lecture, I'll be teaching how you can begin to leverage established online platforms to reach out with the message of the gospel. And that is what we do. I'm describing what we do exactly in this particular lecture, how we use these free platforms, these free established platforms to reach out with the message of the gospel. Now, these platforms have the audience already, huge audience, and what you want to achieve is to reach out to a huge audience with the message of the gospel of Jesus Christ. That is what internet evangelism is all about. So the first one, what we do, we make use of Facebook. You can see them on your screen, and then I have other ones here. Now, register on as many Facebook groups as possible. We register on them, and because we publish ebooks on Amazon and we publish online courses on udemy.com wherever so on udemy.com whenever we want to reach out with a Christian online course or a new Christian course to reach out to a huge audience, what we do is that we set up an 100% coupon discount coupon on udemy.com. After setting it up, we take the link and put a small ad in as many groups as possible on Facebook. And what we notice is that after about 24 hours or so, even less than 24 hours, we see a lot of students rushing in to take advantage of this free coupon, of this 100% discount coupon. And we have used that to set up traffic to a new Christian course on udemy.com. And apart from setting up traffic, we have also used that to reach out with the message of the gospel to as many people as possible. And these students, some of them have ended up giving us reviews on udemy.com. That's the reason why we have a lot of positive reviews on udemy.com. And some of these reviews help in establishing us on the Udemy platform, and they can always bring traffic to our paid online courses. And for Amazon, we have a way of publishing free books on Amazon. Kindle direct publishing. Now, naturally, Amazon will not allow you to publish free books, but you can ask for your book to be price matched to $0. And we have a way, we do that in one of the online courses on udemy.com. You can request for it, and we always we call it How I Sell Ebooks on Amazon. How I Sell Ebooks on Amazon. You can search it out on udemy.com. I describe the process of price matching your book at free at $0 on Amazon.com. So whenever we set up our ebooks at $0 after price matching it on Amazon.com, what we do is that we send out the link to these Christian groups on Facebook. We send out the links to these Christian groups on Facebook, and then usually we always have some people who go ahead to download this ebook on Amazon. And what we do also is that because most times we enroll some of these ebooks, because these ebooks were purposely written to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ. So we want as many people to read about it. So what we do is that we always enroll our books, some of these books, in this Kindle Select program. Kindle Select program, you can always choose 5 days where, even if your book is paid, you can always choose 5 days where you can promote your book to an audience that will go ahead to pick up the books free of charge and read. Now, there are groups specifically meant for that on Facebook, books that are specifically meant for that on Facebook. So when you search for amazing KDP groups on Facebook, you find them. Register in these groups, then you can always push out information, ads about your free books to these groups, and usually we always see downloads from them. Now, number 2, Amazon, I've talked about free books on Amazon. Yes, if you want to know, you can price match your book at free. And Amazon has the platform. I must tell you that Amazon has the platform. And just like I said, enroll your book in Kindle Select program. You are a Christian minister and a gospel minister. You want to ensure the message of the gospel reach as many people as possible. So enroll your book in Kindle Select program so that you can get more options of promoting your free books to a huge audience on Amazon. Amazon has the audience and is a fantastic platform. So that's the reason why we leverage that platforms to reach out with the gospel of Jesus Christ. Now, Google, number 3, Google.com, Google search. Now, we have blogs, we set up blogs, and which we update on a regular basis with SEO compatible articles, search engine optimized articles. Now, what we do, so many of about all our blogs are ranking very well on Google at this moment. They are ranking very well on Google at this moment, and through this, we always have a lot of people come to our blogs and websites on a daily basis, and most of them we always pick up some of the free books that we have on our website, and then we have a way of enrolling them into our newsletter whereby we reach out to them on a weekly basis. So search engine optimization, Google search, SEO is another topic entirely, which you have to find resources that can help you to understand this. But we have mastered it, and we also have an online course on page SEO strategies for bloggers on Udemy. You can search out for this, whereby we've stated all the process that is needed for you to have your blogs optimized and for them to rank very well on Google search. Now, number 4 is Instagram. Yes, Instagram. Yeah, Instagram is another beautiful platform, fantastic platform that we use. I must admit, we don't use it as much as we use Facebook and Amazon and Google, but we also put our articles on Instagram to reach our audience. Now, it's all about reaching out with the gospel of Jesus Christ. Now, number 5, I talked about newsletters. Newsletters, if you are running blogs and websites, you should have a newsletter you run. When people come to your website, they can be able to pick up free gifts and subscribe to your newsletter free of charge. This way, you have them, you can always reach out to them. Now, a fantastic platform that we use for this process, and it is free, is substack.com. You can see the website on your screen, substack.com. Fantastic platform. You need to visit that website and set up your newsletter, and you will be able to reach out to subscribers, free subscribers to your newsletters on a weekly basis. Just like I said, you can always push out articles and posts about the gospel of Jesus Christ through your newsletter. Now, number 6, the power of YouTube. YouTube videos, I must admit, we have not really mastered the process of this, but we are still using it to reach out in one way or the other. With videos, we are going into the production of Christian films, and we are going to push them onto YouTube so that we can gain more subscribers and more views, so that we can reach out to more people with the gospel of Jesus Christ. Now, Facebook videos is the one that is trending now. Fantastic platform too, and I've always advised people use Facebook videos, put it on your page, and also reach out using the Facebook ads. That will give you the reach that you want to reach an audience, a huge audience on Facebook. So you need to test that out too. Now, we also use the platform of Barbecue. Barbecue is a fantastic platform where you have translators who will translate your books into foreign languages, and then we are using this at this present moment, and it's a fantastic platform, and we are reaching out to a lot of people. You can't do a free book on Barbecue because you have translators who are involved. So they are paid books, but I must confess, most of our books, translated books in Spanish, in German, in French, are getting into the hands of a lot of people because we are making sales. That means we are also pushing the message into English speaking communities, and I'm happy about that. So that is what we do to leverage established platforms in our organization. I believe you have enjoyed.